as this one live in Shrine, where Baba dey dey? As you know dey your Shrine, where Baba dey? Where this man dey? Baba? Where is Baba? I don't find you since now. Where you dey? Baba, which kind of ritual you do for me now? Which kind of ritual you do for me? Since like 6 months. 6 months now ritual never work. Eh? And I tell you, sir, I dey go MC Don Duty. You know MC Don Duty for Dubai, as they do it. That man send me money wey be say he shake my account, money wey never enter my account before. But the reason why I do this ritual be say, if I go that place, make I go spend money, squander money, make I go spray money, make them know say Iche enter that place. You understand? The guy send me money, make I come in birthday. You understand? Now I don't do ritual so that if I go that place, make I spray money anyhow. Since last 6 months, the money never work. Now I don't go spend money anyhow. Women, I dey carry 15 women a day. Okay. Ufu figure 8, ufu figure 9, figure 10, and I'm nebuya. You understand? I do dorime for club. Okay, now today that guy birthday, money no day. You tell me say this thing will work. Baba, wetin dey happen?
I say make you dey get patient. Baba, you know they get patient as you dey like this.
If I dey get patient, why I go come do ritual? Now because say the patient inside me don't die, now make I come do ritual. They tell me say make I get patient. Baba, go change that for you. Which kind of wahala be this? See, Baba, I go change that for you. You get change the here. I will change that for you. What is your problem?
Oh, you don't dey shout for me.
Why not go shout for you? Since last 6 months. Baba, where you dey? Come here, Baba. Where you dey go?
Make I go tell them say now you kill their papa now.
Come, Baba. God, no, why you dey do like this?
Why I no go do like this?
It's okay. Okay, Baba. Now we money no dey to even to do the visa and everything. If you do, all will disappear. That is make I disappear and enter Dubai.
So I fit do still make it disappear. Now me I can't stay there for Nigeria. Idiot.
Oh God. I want a shock crossword. Hi! I'm saying don't do it. Happy birthday. Hi! Get the kind of go here and you go me. What will I tell this person and you go me? I'll be make I do my obituary paper. Hi!
Oluwa do you so dog we can where's the cover? Do his nation no if a kulu can a meno. Manye bumo, I shall you for night. I sing hallelujah. Oba calamity.